yɛbɛda mo se yɛtoa nkɔmmɔ no so anom sɛ akwasi sia asɛm or the nkɔmmɔ no abrɛ wanom sɛ I'm sure sɛ wo so crowd also wotie na wohwɛ mede ɔma yɛne kwabena asante bɛka kyerɛ sɛ dɔnko no yɛde special live draw ne bɛbrɛ ɛno akyi no afei yɛatoa adwumadi adi wɔ so sɛ yɛpɔn ɛyɛ nɔnko no abɔ apaa mu minute aduasa 9:30 nti hyɛ no so Monday to Friday mamenda Adom City Estate for us is one of the San with their bray, open so own your 2-bedroom detached and a semi-detached, and as a 3-bedroom detached, and a semi-detached, 3-bedroom executive detached, from 300,000 Ghana cedi upwards. Now when you say Quenyano, Abbey Fira. One day she said, Go Aquema, a bebo quantum cosam with me, Edisa and Comoe. Bambo was some ensure electricity, was some chain cania. Afei suku ana police station ana kwan wasem wo Adom City Estate one biashroom corner season problem bi no sa ha no in every ho wono asiye ka say de bia obenya sa 2-bedroom detached and semi-detached 3-bedroom detached and semi-detached and a 3-bedroom executive detached bia obenya bi currently Tema Community 25 and afi Mathayeko and also Anna Kaswa. Free one war 0308250068 and I say email here info@adomcityestate.com. One website is here www.adomcityestate. What you mean? Eddie Inkitaonti. One other Monday to Friday. Yedesa and Komowe Ebrel Ewo Ahanum say. Mama Sanka awofo nyina se nkwadaa no nhwehwe na hyase yebesra awofo every way ye breast se munya abotrema ye ma no ye nananom ye ofa asenum ene ye dehye nya afi na abetia te kai bia na ye mompae so se obi mfa ne san embesan suku bi so suku managers no enye bere de to apo ni atwam o ko to apo se ampampu se akwanya bi wo etimide to apo a why ekefo so am releasing krata na semo mo chain of distribution mo ma money ni akiri aposi fonso so amohwe afem vigilators na se fo nyina na mo tutum no ma because it's very painful we be sua there all these years na afei obi sign kakra bi na be cancel bibia a why bia mo e basa o hwe se de oman na ye wo mu se de sitie na oman na nkasa nhye da ma awotosho ni nkranhye bia ti na ye be manipa dodo na kono daach no akoto nsuom. Because the fact is here, it doesn't guarantee say more mutual safi muni no. Do na be say nya ahokeka or pepana sa akotro. Ti yen psyche e say onyamenye adom na intimi cross this first line BC and say na SS can say wasi no so etimi aba. Ti ehia pa because so boss ehia pa if you say ye define Ghana dachi in moments like this. It is very, very key. Oman hweni na shene so ne enkoso nwoshi ye nua kwabna minta kando ne nyamfo one ne driver ne police na wona na ete sprinter bus ne no ye nwoshi omu nyina a speedy recovery if we say enye easy enkwahia no say ebi mfa on feature that you will not understand it nti ebi fa on feature na so wanka so wa experience bi na nyame ajiwa frima obete de ye kana asenti ko to join ma kai hunu se obom pai na ode kai omo and then so the first month the first day of the 8th month nti danyame ase enye nipa nyina na enya ne say August ne da edikan kra eni nti danyame ase okwaso kunso pepe so a ode Ghana abedu because you are a part of Ghana nti ode Ghana abedu ode ye mpanyimfo abedu ode ye nananum abedu and ode wan kasanso wabedu. The for Erica for Atenase kwa Memphis West this year wo honom no ono na ejina wo na name wa Memphis West Watenase sa so na ehwe nim say on the ticket of the MPP no the for Collins Adoma Comensa ono so ebeba betrase. What I'll do in the next 5 minutes me man akwa be wi and say ubenya kwanya just call us be insia sebrene makwana e more than that 5 minutes. Now what the headline quickly abreme before we start our proper conversation here, because I need to also know the echoes also potem on biawo and as a baby butu, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Very important. Bibi adano say unim what time is it in terms of the echoes or potem, the echoes or memu, the echoes or pesa so ana ukurumwa. Emoni da homa shishe bia we bia kase bia ukano. utimi hu kwa abefa so abeka no anase anamo abefa so a obetu timi ma na kwa be na me catch us me be lines no for the next 5 minutes 0302 211 701 ekosi 4 0302 211 701 ekosi 4 quickly now they also asema de wakoma so their brother it because all about kwaba
man what is saying
oh nyame adom bibia ye boko just that sometimes you know you should need google na fe o fa farmer saman kwan so na o ka no washing be
is ya ga na kwan na
yeah me hu a na ase wasem na service mitimu me ka kwan na me boa
yes
me chase you it is still it's not been attended to
my chia ahwefo nya tifo nyina
yeah mo fa chebe anytime I'm seeing robo afu bia no na kwa ba
so say kwan was bia meka so na find there my meka say last time ba
yeah
catch us say the minister could do come parliament because that's the highest thing the NEMP can do about parliament now the area when say minister say kwan no ayemu 69.5%
69.5%
and so any bicycle cry into infaso motorbike to fakwan
e be this uncle on Peter Machi na ti say o free Peter hello Peter Machi apom ti say
nyamena duma ye ho ye pa wo
good ma on so kakra bi ma me Peter yetie o hello Peter Mpacho metie o
me free adjura seche dumase municipality
adjura seche dumase okay yetie o Peter
na ai man for midwifery ho ni ma bi koso ho no ma me ba midwifery ho no ma pana year student teacher bi ho no ma wa say nkwala bi be reanton handout do feeling nkwala ni na on the subject mente
o se
ayo mba kira mo na ntwere
choboasi madaruma o se manpo midwifery
nursing training school
e dey na esi wo ho
teacher ni do wa say nkwala bi anton handout
okay
nkwala bi anton handout ari ti the course awon wo kire no wa feeling nkwala be bre ba nkwala be 80 enti nam sa nkwala mo sifa na ya no be sa register no o mam register mo say mo receipt into our register.
Oh, Debbie, we the old gentleman and possible, sir. Teacher need to say, what teacher need sham rasi. Teacher need what your friend of Sukumo. It is the Obayama Amama no pay say. What Daroma Ambrasium to an amonco Sukum paying for immediately. Say, Cobassa, the old can of Sukum paying for us, say, one to be hand out in Tina. Yantiman register more. That's a different matter altogether. There's what a son confounded on our shebra any mrem. Into Wadaruma to Sana Mon Mame and then get back to me. Then we can have a conversation. Why? Bamidasi for drawing our attention to this. And he said, "Man, permit free BBC or man pamcho. Momo na mon clarify my. Hello, good morning. Apom to say.
Good morning.
Me na apom to say.
Last me here number 1 farmer meal.
Yay, number no, a number the bema chi.
Okay, matter. Na anopɛ deɛ na me fasa kwanya so na Michelle we are journalist pa we obi a so de wakwadare adwuma nim
me das
yeta media kwanya yi ma his excellency the president said the better not to be free panda ya kwan esan say there was a time na the two baby go bicycle go the fire pass so kwa obre but na that ma obedi 7 years wata ya kwan kama if you manage ekobanda ukata wani bana uchika ba bebi wani no du banda yikro je let fata kwanya so ni ada na se na ya saya sre good minister ya bridge bi ho bridge no na bridge kese bi a ha bi ura yikro ba kwa fene sabi bridge ni ya dadie bridge tete na omode dadie be yeye ya be se na ya sanse bi na his excellency president one time ya mwa na ikuru ba kwa ye na kodi wa obohye e wo kwa ahwe wo dogo onso kwan na onye na no so emma bana ya fa ntema pa enye den infra ma fata kwanya so na the candidate of contestable parliamentary and presidential ubia enya abutre na in presented better candidate inshallah we are hoping say come 2024 no we are breaking the age.
All right, Medasi Banda na mini pay way Pentecost elder no.
Yeah,
Ahmed. Yeah. It will be difficult for the MPP to break through there. Yeah, very difficult.
He's working very hard.
Honest with that.
Nice.
Okay, so Mr. Nobody, and we are somebody. I disagree, so we're nobody.
Adom TV into me a somebody.
Yeah, we are somebody. But what with you?
Yo, the big kind. Mechia, opinion for I was a was video on your titri, Mohammed Pound, your vice president, Michano, or Chiao, maybe I will be ano. Now, Mr. Yaki in Yamaso, our market, Mimiton Pabua. Now, by the market, one more, you was a baby, I may ton idea. Matiso 50%. Maybe I go farm Pabua, Yatiso. First room, Pabua, 100 Ghana, they say 50 Ghana.
Oh, hey, no.
I many work about Duma say back, we go find what Cantamanto.
Hey.
Me nada.
What is 50%?
Oh no. Yakin Yamaso
50%.
Coco Fabano. Ya for the Yamano, ya to move double the Eddie Papa Eddie Martin. Mr. Media Obako Duma shop wa. Yaman Matiso 50%.
Okay. A good citizen. I'm surprised. 50%.
Or the fuck.
I'm few West for about money.
Or the fuck.
Match it could be true. Pacho Machapo to say. Hello.
Hello.
Stephen, I'm in few West, right?
I'm in Central.
I'm in Central. Okay, good. Okay, it's you.
I'm in Central. I am coming from Hunjibre, Agna, Wasa to Akankigwa, a final. In fact, from 2012, I almost started somewhere kind of that. And if you grab a final, I have to give a whole credit. So, you see, and I'm saying to you, how the other things you to turn.
Okay.
I'm not saying about that crowd in Agro.
Okay, so that's
it. I can fool. Okay.
Okay, good. So Amenfi Central. Yeah, that's it for drawing our attention to this one. I am back. It's next time you get the opportunity to also share your opinion. But honorable, quickly, acquire some ND there. What about Jebre and then Akasa?
Yes, not 2 weeks ago. I told you.
Yes, about you have to follow up.
Exactly. And about Parliament. That day.
I think the last Parliament not responded to questions.
Yeah, my question not responded.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Yeah, because I needed him for 1 or 2 clarifications.
Okay.
And they show Parliament.
Yes.
Yeah.
So a bad topical issue in this country because a choir is free as Nkriwa is a kumumuni, a co-pristia. So the minority in the United States. Now why year almost 70%. Now motorbike, even a bobo ya into me and for then what are you telling guys?
Why you
Yes, just all over in the news, in the papers. I wonder why you've never
Are you kidding me?
Oh yes, I'm telling you. Yes. Media villages, especially Mumuni to Pristia.
But it's been done.
Yes, 70%.
Oh, Jaisa.
Oh, I'm telling you. Oh,
and you responded to that in Parliament?
Yes. Exactly. I don't have the tape here. I'm going to Abacha Manfo. I'm on Mashi. I'm Ghana for Africa. Oh, you budget review, media budget review. But make us say, was stating most of the rows are Sebio, Ebia do 45, 50, 60, 70. Especially Ufi as in Krigwa, Ufi Takrade, a quite grand quanta. A serious
contractor no so.
Ufi contractor no quanaso. Contractor no quanaso. We are packy machine diseases in Jen. Or quansu means our year Juma. Now, when I say machine diseases, then few. So, my no man uncle. Ebia this is you. Ufi body a question Krigwa. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Ayareho. Because the honey bia kuku. Oh, sapo just when you na e contract and some. Anya fina bet na se na ye be on contractor o. Any contractor. Yes.
Now more contractor no site.
Even yes. From 2016.
Now add more money into me and for auditing now more and what was that auditing?
Debbie. As at now, I think say last week, Public Accounts Committee. They forced the ministry to bring the report on cocoa roads.
To Uzaka or
No, we do not have it. They told them to bring the report. Am I? Who free body Elkwas and Krigwa, Elkwas Samnaboy? What can I say 2020? Yeah, critical roles, investigation be organa. 2020. Budget to Crano, Yayin, what can I say? When we are now voter region, Vanka, Nana no more voter region. Sorry, yeah, budget for signed, but that was the time your budget me organa. That's a one year. Body as in Gua Road, Neka.
Okay, so you better try about just a minute. You better try and come over with one. I'm saying, my main question now is so Jebra so share now TV Badwam on Adom TV multi TV. So, inti I quite want to my me kurum MPP4 chairman or no chairman the Abraham se kwabena onso kurum tepagoso. Me damn na.
Chairman.
Every chairman.
All over the country. I was able
to Tepagoso. Me damn no. Me damn da. Eti chairman Usu. I know. But it's difficult to do all these things at a go, especially when you don't have money.
Roads as well, would him me ho Kwabre side, Kwabre.
Yeah.
Come, Quantakese, you could be friend the painting Pampetia Patase. Painting Pampetia Patase.
Wow. Would you see a good job?
Yeah. Dancing na many districts in collaboration. Yeah. KVIP, a toilet, modern toilet facility. 10 seats, very beautiful. Now we say MPDO project is now a commission. You go with some. I was expecting say
from them. So
with some excitement. I mean, question being now. Obi anka.
Ade awo ye na.
Ona wo ba no fa ekwan ba ya na. O ba no ofa koma na ofa esase. These are the kind of questions coming up. Let's just say, in as much as the project no
why be for them, no? But major one
they feel say a quantity there or yama more. Just some few months ago, me personally, me America, medical grade is not it's so started here. Na me America Prado, me kokora no a.
Yeah, yeah.
But to kurima me ametimu say there's some pressure. So you can imagine.
The normal cars, a classic cars are actually fancy for me.
So, me and the working, I side with him perfectly. I have the same challenge. Last time, he a minister. The calculate that contractor's car, I realized that one. Easy. We're just hoping, say, there are some about 6 or 10 big contractors, or more, most of the bigger contracts, say, the menu from Takrade, Kuninan. I didn't think some substantial amount. Let's see a tree.
No car did down.
Matthias,
Joshua, quite
Joshua, so
Kofi Juba, a car of Skaya, Sabia.
So Asabia 1 billion. Now, man, 100 million Ghana cedis. That 100 million, Asabia, most of them, they already have their quarry near the idea. Until a Sika or their operational expenses, workers car near the idea. What the 100 million man, he's able to move back to site. Now, no more they are able to move back to site because of that amount of money na nsakano. It's a no name minister Nudi. Na how best. You know, a major problem. And so the mini I side with him. A concern na minim MP my only concern. Now we see it committee. Me the but you need to me to say Francisca Kwabre. Minister wait there. Kakra na aba no.
Ye fa ko.
Wo de Francisca because ye nyina ye ko Antwa ye ko ye wo.
Enye kra.
Ntu du ho ne de na oba ho a. No West Cross. The media no ko ye kakra. You know it's a major issue.
Oh my me kakra fan kan won. A very good question of say yintum nya kwan nyina. A major capital expenditure project. So you have to make an attempt. Find another alternative. For example, NDC ana ye bibi efen koko roads ne ka ho asem say syndication ne ba ye fa percentage ye de ye koko akwan sabi o say ye mfa quota akra nguso kra mpa say kwani benyan akwan de ne koko no akọ market center akoton is very necessary etos bi ne no buy na wadon obenya kwan afa so da ko market nti akwan ho asem de odum kokukuru aban sika nyina for the entire year ni nyina so de koye akwan but make an attempt. 2, you can employ the assemblies, municipal and district assemblies. You can help them to secure graders. Edibesi ho rural roads ni nyina betmai ni nyina kama at least if you want say we make him. But this one there,
this also came up a point I will make about the graders no.
Yes.
I said last time I had a meeting with the minister, it came up. Say, I didn't think young facilitate this procurement of this
exactly
AC because there are some constituencies, there are some areas do here grading.
Yes.
Just leveling it kakra. Na intimi makas no. In fact, that's a very good point.
Yes.
It came up during the discussion.
So we won't
yeah.
Obetia from common fund.
It's something that came.
Understand my point. So let us try to look at all these alternatives and let things go. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so another area, maybe with the budget. These irregularities it keeps occurring in the Auditor General's reports. How do we go about it as a country? It's worrying. And who said retrievals of about 15 billion Ghana cedi or so.
2.1 billion.
Yeah. How do we go about some of these things? I don't know. How do we go about it?
Omahe, a very delicate question. Being an answer, ye team him. To me, who say a bicycle. The Beshaw Sama, Obefasuye. Now, there are Juma, Banco for a benefit. A friend to Public Accounts Committee. At times, say, MMDs no say omoba na say be some question it make us okay you pay this invoice obeka you say ekura
this morning day Ghana.
I'm telling you like this so a very serious issue in this country. Look at 15 billion Ghana cedis. Say we are the common viewers a bit my adwuma akra
If I chrono turn upside down.
But I found microphone some won't mean trade sika. The big catch say sa transaction with there na me ne ho. E na nipa ne ye. You have to go and look for that person. Nti nipa no kon we nya handing over note to her. You see,
your system is loose.
So Omar, it's a good question if you ask me. But I say anything memo for Nankasan. I say you through a mindset. And yes, we continue to have these problems.
Oh, Jesus.
Very serious.
Omar, me bombing report by I've been listening to radio and the angler. It's because every little thing in Ghana is political. It's a report we are back during the time. Yes, in Komai, because when they born ambasso, what can say ye papa. Omani, ECG, any new managing director. No, you're more company who, any managing director. Within 1 month. Wetima around almost 2 billion Ghana cedis. Eka amount for it. Oba officer. Ushe TV so obi right in his office. Utimi right officer we 20 million. Ama check. Which means no nim. So or the car. We use the service, the products. Why not say untia? Me say me bomi na nabaso. All the test report here until said people see say offer abansika you will be punished. Until say I don't know amahini ye be ye no de. That report we opa but another government in the next 30, 40 years, this report will come out. Since what time? Public Accounts Committee. The irregularities. It is because people simply don't fear. Also, because Public Accounts Committee.
A query paper, no.
You need to come over here. Public Accounts Committee for the report now by Parliament, plenaries. You bobo who Parliament. You bobo who ya. Rete. Sam.
But most of to most power as politicians.
We don't. Parliament doesn't have the power to prosecute.
No, but I'm saying that all these things you're pointing. Hey,
that's the point I'm making.
But me and yes, it was maybe
that's the point I'm making. Yes. Sir, irregularity, you'll be shocked. So 90% of them, the minister himself is not aware. Herself is not aware. The local government minister, Otiakra, is not aware. It must be a basic. Payment of salaries. Obiti office. Somebody's duty. HR district.
As a son who say we
near 3 months. You can't go to Mozu. Why?
So the system is weak.
There's no punishment.
The system
is weak. The system is weak, but you see, send a signal. I said democracy without checks and balances is the worst form of dictatorship. What democracy don't have checks and balances? I said, bit me say, a basic way so far. Then you dear, you do better. Once there is no deterrent, there's nothing to show. Say we will say no there. Sorry, last year, irregularities by 2 years ago, by 3 years ago, by 4 years ago, 10 years ago,
So I don't know, but
the American town is a bind the necessary. Make a bind. I bind the necessary. Now, this 15.1 billion Ghana cedis are young. She can one hole. In this year, Chini Paba Kuminumiansa.
Yes.
Na you're prosecuting.
Punish.
But so what buy no? What would you buy? Some people are buying asset now. Now we are buy. That's all you feel. People throw the accusation at you. Intiminia say, "Can say you buy by next year." I say buy by next year.
I don't have a problem with that. I'm saying it's a hard day way across. End this time.
Also,
so let's set up. You see, MPP are buying. I'm in Adom. More creative office for special prosecution. Yaya budget. Jama special prosecutor.
Special prosecutor office in Zambia.
They make what you say. So these things, fine. Public Accounts Committee. Only sir authority no. On the court. You understand my point? So, Uncle, we are out no. Then you take it up, take the mantle. Then we fish into all those loopholes. So please, the government should also work.
Government should, because sometimes I don't know, but when you wake up, you are going to Parliament. Well, members of Parliament, you know, who say, what is happening to this country?
Yes.
Things are loose. Very loose.
Very loose. Very loose in this country. Very loose in this country.
When this time
we are going to do politics now. We are going to the media budget. That's where politics is coming from. I see. Okay, so another era kind of Foriata. You know, it's a requirement, so he had to fulfill it, and he's fulfilled it. But matters arising are the most important. At the end of the day, what the ordinary Ghanaian will say is that I can kind of but point is that local businesses performance, the Ghanaian society, you know, so any impact and also. Another hopefuls, Honorable Collins, Adom Mpensenpensemu. O sewa ne onana ene wofa owo afija kwabre north opese o cheche ne mu de akoso enu ada wo machine bedwam eni nsunsuanso a enya e wo no so any region, any of mine.
Yo, medase. So the kind no, ran the channel. Say Afibia by the 31st of July. Say or they be parliament friend no media review. Now him say every year biano budget you reading in November. By November no you read the year no. Most of the normal na okane na provisional. Okasa also provisional GDP. We anticipate say by July any day na year na ending. Until he can come with all the figures no end of year figures. Any one reason why this is done. Number 2, between January and June and July no. BBS among projections are said or then 2 year name in November no asasano. And it's an opportunity for him to report back to us. This year the is significant because last year 1st July and a president instructed us on starting discussions with the IMF. And a penny. And this media review eman another opportunity. A progress of that IMF program. Milestones are yet to me a hit and going forward because minimum said by September, you hope sell early November and the second tranche of 600 million. It's a media review no obi otimi and this is the main reason sir. My finance minister Esa Bamrabish Nashebedwem this kind of statement. This year no said it came in the form of a statement. And they say November no year man ceiling baby obetimi aboka akudru expenditure. Normally no say BBC to say the COVID time BBC ya na say of budget a supplementary budget no. I feel we there wa masse or sika foforo aka ho to increase expenditure. It came in the form of a statement. Adom will start commenting on the statement. Now, on my key very important point be number 12. I was Mr. Speaker. 2022 was the most difficult year for me as Ghana's finance minister. This is just an admission by the minister. Say 2022 was a tough year for him, or no, as a finance minister. An indication say na nyoma say the na nyoma tie no a little bit gloomy kaka. By November na ukuta sorry fifi ukuta 5,000 cedis. Within 5 hours, rate needs Mr. Sambe 3-4 times. So that was a very, very precarious situation for him. And you know what happened between November and December last year. Very, very difficult moment for every government. It was exciting for him. You know, it was a very difficult moment. Now, from January till now, what has happened? Based on policies and our programs are buying the tool to turn around the economy. Then no making statement me say we have turned the corner. Who say we are fishing on that to mean say or say BBI okay or yes I not say okay. Ufa triangular. One corner is just a part of it. Into a say we've turned around the corner. The upper part na extra one say first the na portal no a deep bar. Adom gradually no we are moving out of the portal. And no interest baby a one sa na penal. But at least we compare from November last year, say the net economy next year, and this is here baby year draw. We are not there yet, but we've made some significant progress. This year, first quarter, the growth rate 4.3, or compared with the same period last year, so around 3. So there's an improvement. Inflation then I'm 50-something%, and then I'm 42. Or my 42 is not the best, and yet cry. 42 is not the best.
Also, can was here number. The one person of Banaba can be the year number. Or can over year number. Or Bacchus and the Sonia regime.
Oh my 42. And yet that's not where we want to be. But at least 42 is better than 52. So that's an improvement.
Far better.
Not petrol, you're 22 cities and then 12 cities. Oh my because top petrol 12 cities are 8 cities. But at least it is better than the 22. Exchange rate will depreciate last year, and then 58% depreciation. And then by God's grace, there's some stability. So what all we are saying is, Minister Nasemo can say, we are not there yet. But you do corner beer, you start to bend the corner. We are turning around the corners. And to be a senyame Adom, me continue on this tangent. It is very possible, say, your recovery rate be quicker than what was anticipated. It's a message, and now share Minister Nidimina. Obi enim ken. Oshwe Nidimina ne said the Okasa. Very sober reflection on issues. Even members of parliament, you could see, say, this is a minister. He's doing his best, pushing to ensure, say, sir, reforms here, improvements here, starting it will continue to the end. What I would expect, they say, minimum end this for. And nearby, minimum in Koma, and if ne kwanye media ye push say kwano say be. What we need from them is for them to join us. We are really calling them to join the trail. As Ghanaians, then finding a way to turn things around. Say the air quality, say kosa dia omahene. I'm sure say things will be okay. Yes, there are some difficult moments. Obi ntimi nkasa and because of the IMF program, obi enemy say full recovery on the energy sector. Nti osha okoto we ya na oto ya asa because there's an increase. Why? Because there's a lot of arrears. We don't want to keep piling the arrears. So let's pay realistic tariffs now. Okay. So that me finance minister in the next 5 years or 10 years. Not many arrears. Me say me be supporting. Na arrears. Let's rally behind this government. Let's rally behind the finance minister. Right. Baby Ayedri, I'm sure said the tough times now you call mono last year. I'm sure said we'll go back there again. Okay, so my main wish for Beyonce, I'm a Fusia of the New Patriotic Party fame, and your birthday. We are proud of you. But sorry, Beyonce back. I have Beyonce. I am a Fusia, member of the MPP. Happy birthday to you. And then by Ruth Love also and I award that. And then I'm also for my life. More managing my life because I say there under Collins mono it's not easy, sir, but more managing the year. And that's all. And that's all. And that's one now. It's more by the same that's when I come up present my wedding. Oh. A decision making and taking. And I'm okay. Let's start with and Koshas because fire now neighbor. Call is kind of was and Koshas. You go try what? But you go try on the castle. Yeah, come is here, man. You ever try from 9 or missing 9 at 12 or missing 12 6 p.m. until Oshebredi at any point in time. Adom TV Adara my beat sister through Game Park for one share of the Abax from Kokra. It's so beautiful. You just watch it and see what happens. That Adom City Estate for us so Kokra and they open a dime bia papa ma one top say open or Tamakomi 25 Matayko and Aka so a 2-bedroom detached and semi-detached, 3-bedroom detached and semi-detached, 3-bedroom executive detached. If it's 300,000 cities, economy business are daily biato. For 0308-250068 and our email near info@adomcityestate.com, website near www.adomcityestate. No what you know edin kitao. Minute in watching temi pejemu e wa hanum say. Honorable Afo. Now,
mama can say in that so biani ho. Oh, minua o kasa. O say 2022 budget no omo ye. That year no, it was very tough for them. 2023 budget no, you're reading November of 2022, isn't it?
Yeah.
You came out with figures to guide you. Figures they say then the man who say economy no what trauma in energy to say we be here almost 227 billion. Yeah. Okay? Yeah. Now, Waba say we here sika bi. na scan cry de man kra dosu nti what so about 206 me who are Ghana was in Yeska e da ye put juma. So what informed you? It means that revenue no kra no, they can't get the revenue because the new man in egu e wo Ghana. I don't think so.
Ghana Revenue Authority over omo ko try
the cost of doing business
is becoming expensive by the day.
Exactly. What you say? Look at the policy rate now. 30%. Is that okay? Now, bank or Jebosia, if you be who are 30%. Or the individual or man, send or the amount. But no, 42 or 45, 50. You understand my point? It has to be. Look at the taxes, sir. You force the person to get the tax. Uba jisika ni na say o man sika. Nanso uba se nipa no ho akere no. Enti se do be adwuma a produce more kra no, ontumi produce more. For that matter, uba kon ho biem no, onya sika no fama. That is why the revenue is declining. Etositu. What's the overall GDP growth? About 2.8%. That's a one kind. I didn't tell what Tenassi why you with this budget. Now Becca said it's all 1.5%. It was any money organ. You can't achieve that target. Almost 50% decline. Okay? Etositu. You are talking about gross national reserves. Only idea a bo or maybe a buying. So my which way you will sikabi or where who can say we are seeing us a crowd as a car or my hand we are see. Says go to me didi bebo sumba combo some means. Okay? Now who says here no would have free almost 3.5 now sit here no to almost of import cover 3.5 months of import cover. To almost not even a month import cover. It was a name in Ghana. Okay? We call flashy programs, sir. You are still talking about the theories. Theories, plan for food and jobs. They are talking about theories.
A reviewed version of it.
It's a theory because I don't see it in this country. And the impact. And as a project and their money. That's not to talk. Any other man go for it. Because the problem is, the farmers there, they need the money, seed capital to work. What they fertilizer command, what they seeds command, this kind of the bed a phone. This kind of the bed a phone. So you start a program, but you not end successfully. You see, one good thing MPP, Omo de Baya, a Toma Kumaso, when they were coming to government, 2016, a manifesto. They want this one factor. Because I know, sir, it will serve as import substitution in this country. We realize, sir, especially the food sector. Ebro, if anything, almost $10 billion US. A year, we quantify any the crack and them. So, say what the sub program yaba. That's actually a bit Ghana. It's good. What the state of 1D1F now? Away, open B or microphone. Now, Fred, 10 districts. And now my 10 people. I'm Fred. Me, Mr. say, I'm in Few West. This is one factory in BC. I will produce, let's say, sugar, and I say, will produce rice. Away, nothing. So realize, sir, in summer, minister, Bekan or parliament, finance minister, just a repeat. That's what I'm saying, sir. There's nothing now. So I can figures now so much. We share, maybe to say, inflation. That is why I Andra, now minister. Because figures we continue pronouncing here because our bonus. You are in this country. And now you say NDC, yabo musio say inflation occur 15.4%, 2016. 15.4%. Yet how inflation do 54.1%. And the minister is happy to tell Ghanaians say things are good now because inflation is about 31.3%. Meanwhile, in the budget statement, when you say through your prudent economic management, you are going to give us 18.9%. What's one review at the about 13.3%? What does it mean? And you tell Ghanaians say things are right. Just at the moment, some say never better. He never better. Now, me say, who call a Joshua first no last year. Now we do hononia tomb. Rate na yes at that time. Now, minister said, from this time up to December, the average inflation is 31.3. Waka? You see, they have 18.9 because 18.9 equal 54.1. So these are certain things that extra will say, and Yema and you read the budget, you my. Means what I was soon ready that from Kakra. Fair, it's so soon. People are saying, so the minister is saying that things are all right, but we are not all right. What does it mean? The minister, some no be kind of Ghana for it. But we are telling you, say, what Papa Biya do it now. Mati say, you can say, oh, when NDC,
but we have been assured, I may ignore certain pointers and so on, but we've been assured that we're enjoying reasonable stability from this time going. And no, mention film. But more a certain guarantee to say, okay, said ye, and your marshals ye air done when dinner. Bibia idia dance ye say, yen sang ting koye chibim. Sa. That assurance is there. I don't know how
November 2022. My budget statement be assurances are about any be need the working. But still, on se man in a mana konechi. Mana konechi pa no who ni say a man koneni.
Pano for reasons that is best known to all of us. No, pano for reasons that is best known to us.
What are the reasons?
Among some of the reasons, key they be ada mo pese money negligible no. COVID. Among some of the reasons is so mo pese negligible no. A cost you intimate negligible. Russia, Ukraine, and then you top it up with certain mismanagement on the part of this administration.
Okay, on 90%.
Mismanagement.
Yes, 90%. Now can COVID. What you have? Or member of the finance committee. I think meeting. We gave them 24 billion. 24 billion to spend. 24 billion Ghana cedis. Collins, my boy. 24 billion.
It is the EBN said, me try and work on national lottery here because because Kakakana or Collins I heard the next 15 minutes to wrap up. The EBN said, me try and work on national lottery here. Me bape na our Collins and our project work was shares in a TZ so be yeah, but then we can have an appropriate response. Mr. Saoche Brahma, in the next 5 minutes, I'll be right back. Mr. Saoche, yeah, I'm sure I was smiling to 18 Tiano Pay. My sister will be Shebre, 9 o'clock, yeah, Game Park Father, my sister will be Shebre, 12. That's our sister will be Shebre, now 6 p.m. My more winning, was better. Game Park Father, live feed from National Lotteries, Monday to Friday. You better wrap up very soon. My main counsel said, "I'm for I'm say so. Kujina I'm in few West. I know yeah. My shebi jeni ujina this year. Ono name Musa so I'm for Collins Adoma Kumensa. Ono so okujina efija kwa brea. Hashtag still Collins Adom Mpensenpensemu. But if you see Honorable Collins,
all
church number be
na Collins minimum no. Parliament, no health committee. Now, sit I am ready. No, Minister, I am ready. Although I am ready. Yes, no, Becca.
That's a man that was here.
Ghana phone na dodo na fi se e man e connection. Nti ye nyina yensum. Ghana ye nyina ye dia. That is why the former president I was a president 2025 7 January. Obesu ya che Ghana for say. Man o ye ni nyina. Sign ababeto so. Special road sector. Uko road so ye ni nyina to ababeto so. Na Ghana enya good roads in this country. Okase no. Ebi amane kon, e man ya ko ditch. Nti nyina yen kanfu a. Yen dwendwen Ghana sikasem. Na Ghana sikasem nyi. Okan ya asemesi o Ghana. Osi free SHS. Uhwe ba bia aircon no. Eko ditch. Nyina yen hia. Dey review of the program. You say no Mahama say obetwa free SHS. O baby ya ekoya ya babedu. E dey ura IMF. Ma meka se manusi. And me percent here for nyina ati ase. There's difference between NDC IMF and MPP IMF.
There's a difference.
Yes. I will tell you now. NDC IMF now you're coin. You're coin because of single spine salary structure. Single spine salary structure. No ma penyin kufo. Ujato ho na one ma any avenue bia ye de be yesa salary structure. Na ma isika ya kese. Expenditure ya kese. For that matter, ese ekusu extra IMF. Na omaye 900 million. 900 million. 900 million kra no. 300 million e ba ya breso. 600 million nyina dollars nyina ba minuanom abreso. Omo extended program no. Even a year. As a program ended 2018 and 2019. They extended the year. Meanwhile, at the IMF, they campaign the TNDC for. But almost ended 1 year. And not almost MPP IMF, because of over expenditure, over borrowing, Sika Omwaje, as we speak, is getting to about 600 billion. Now, what's your interest rate? What's your amortization? Now, see what Jekra said. So, do have the fiscal space to run your economy. In that entire IMF. So, over borrowing, Sika do ayaji or Ghana, Busi ayaji, if you any abontene, ena amayako IMF. And NDC there, because of program amoyede to ho. Single spine salary structure. You to me implementing here through IMF with $300 million. Now you are paying $3 billion. And so we had 7 years rule of MPP, 8 years rule of MPP. No. It means 2017 IMF, 2018 IMF, 2019 IMF, 2020 no more free, 2021 no more free, 2022 IMF started, 23 IMF, 24 IMF. So the IMF now more than what IMF do in Ghana. MPP. Yes, because the way you say NDC IMF your call now their campaign detail John Dramani Mahama. It is exonerated.
Okay, so my man was it, but Morani mate must settle on Julius and I say Kopoku.
You know her. You knew her.
No must settle on who?
You knew her or mine. You knew her.
It is either Julius or Eric Kopoku.
You knew her.
I see.
Yes.
But my service surrender in a modern.
You say you knew her.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
Hey. Oh, 4 minutes.
What's yes? Operation don't we are Mama, he gave some very interesting analogy. Say NDC for IMF because of single spine. The single spine, what did it do to their fiscals? And more expenditure no equal high. Yes, sir.
Yes.
They do here the no so no. Or say equal IMF because of high expenditure. What's the difference?
Borrowing. Borrowing, massive loans. It's expenditure, but borrowing. That's what I want to let you know.
Hey, be na uncle read the NDC reasons uncle saying uncle IMF. Be no read the single spine was just one aspect of it. In any case, single spine, President Kufuor by no nyam by force so implement single spine. You came to implement it.
Political reasons.
The patch off.
Or hand it over.
Oh,
Because the way I'm here, no.
Exactly.
So I'm
You can run away.
I'm a trusher, a book of
but now fiscal space.
Yeah.
Now feel so untiminya. You go back to the Ghanaian people. Say the muka sambambe one-time premium. Mubaya mu share fiscals na M1. You abandoned it. So the reasons all must say where they say the way they say, I don't get it. The NDC for IMF is different, MP for IMF is different. I really normal.
I'm talking about the reasons.
On my very interesting analogy, say they call IMF 2007.
Yes.
Structural adjustment program from PNDC.
PNDC time.
What is he talking about?
Oh, na PNDC
No,
time.
there is
Warren Collins, remember
IMF.
Then mama tell mama kasa.
and then move the justification.
Exactly.
We a member of IMF.
Exactly. Exactly.
Unfortunately
for you to you can take me on.
Me person me tell me say IMF program there. Structural adjustment time. It's in onya to boss with the 2001, 2002, 2003. No, not was it. Okay, revenues. Or say there's a sign projections. Uncle release a tax state final budget. On so many occasions, media review, he comes back to reverse.
All right,
based
so
on
we are so grateful.
The last year, you had the 88 and the population. It has come down to 74.
Okay, so they have put in vigorous measures. Badwam system
was coming back.
So, but you know that there are vigorous measures that are there.
Nothing will change.
Okay, all right. So, me don't mind the community until I will be in a community do and also come be bekoso. And then Mrs. Sasha Brenkwa, don't worry. Alex Adom Machel, maybe after 15 minutes.